So you want to learn how to use the 3D printer? Well, I'm here to share the process with you. The MakerBot SKETCH is a 3D printer. You either create a design yourself, or find one that you can remix, which means you use someone else's design and change it to make it work for you. The design is then submitted for review by your teacher, then uploaded to the queue to be printed as a 3-dimensional model. The machine will use the design to create slices for it to print layer by layer. The filament is heated up and extruded, working one layer at a time, from the bottom to the top. The design will have a support base, which is called a raft, and an infill, which is the inner support structure, so it won't crush easily. It's really fascinating to watch, and so cool to hold your finished product. Especially when it's one that you have designed yourself, from scratch. Here's what's required for you to be able to print. Students will need to create the design as instructed, pay attention to all requirements and the size. Make sure the pieces are touching each other and are grouped together. All parts of the design need to be resting on the workmat, or grid. Make sure the design has all its parts, and is the correct size. Check to make sure we have the filament color that you want. Name the design like this: teacher name _ student name _ color. Teachers will need to add all MakerBot projects to their lesson plans. Check that the infill percentage is appropriate for the design. Check the design has all parts and is the correct size. Check or create the schedule for printing, it will help to print same colored files in batches for efficiency. Add the submitted designs to the MakerBot print queue for each printer. And help the students print the designs. I can't wait to see the creations you'll come up with. Now, start designing.